In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import issues from Excel to Jira. If you've been managing work in spreadsheets and you're ready to move everything into Jira, this walkthrough will guide you through the basic import process. We'll start from inside Jira and work our way to uploading your Excel data in a format Jira understands. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira workspace and that you have access to the project where you want the issues to live. From your Jira home or project view, look for the option to create a new space or project area where your imported issues will be stored. Go ahead and click on Create Space. Think of this as preparing a container where all the imported issues from your Excel file will appear. It's a good idea to choose a clear name and key for this space so you can recognize it later, especially if you're doing multiple imports. Once your space is ready, you'll see options related to bringing data into Jira. Look for the option labeled Import Data and click on it. This is Jira's built-in tool for migrating information from other sources like spreadsheets or other trackers into structured Jira issues. Using this option helps you avoid manual copying and pasting and keeps your field mapping consistent. After you click Import Data, Jira will show you several import sources. Because your data is coming from Excel and Jira works best with comma-separated values, you'll want to choose the CSV import. Go ahead and click on CSV. If your Excel file isn't already in CSV format, pause here, open it in your spreadsheet program, and save or export it as a CSV file. This will prevent formatting issues and make sure Jira can read your columns correctly. Next, Jira will prompt you to provide the file it should import. Click on Upload CSV File. This will open a file picker on your computer. Navigate to the location where you saved your CSV version of the Excel sheet, select it and confirm the upload. At this stage, it's helpful if your CSV has clear column headers like Summary, Description, Assignee, and so on, because Jira will use those headers in the next steps to map your data into the right fields. Once the CSV is uploaded, Jira will walk you through mapping your columns to issue fields and then creating